In this video, I will show you how you can convert your documents format to PDF without using any software and completely for free. First, you need to open any browser, then search for Sejda. From the results, open the first link here. Next, at the top menu, you will see an option for all tools. Hover your cursor over it, a few options will appear, and from there go to convert to PDF section. Inside that, you will find the Word to PDF option. Click on it. Now you will need to upload your file. To upload, click on Upload to Word Files. You can simply drag and drop it here like this. Once you do that, the converting process will start automatically. After a few seconds, you will get the option to download the PDF file. If you want, you can also upload the converted file directly to your cloud drive. I will go ahead and download the file here and open it to show you whether the file has been properly converted into PDF or if there is any issue. As you can see, the file has opened perfectly in PDF format. There are no changes and the content is clearly visible. Everything looks great. So this was a simple tip on how to convert Word files to PDF. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like it, and if someone else might need it, share it with them too. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.